Now let's take a look at how we can clean up our attack battle action. Two of the things we're going to want to add is the ability to let the monster or the player miss their attack, and also we want to display when a monster or the player has a critical hit, which happens when they attack at the highest value of their attack range. Let's go ahead and open up our attack battle action. In order for us to handle the miss, let's take a look at splitting up the two sentences we use to display our attack battle action status. Above the second sentence, where we start with target 2's name, let's go ahead and add a condition to test to see if attack value is greater than 0. If it is, that means we've had a successful hit. If we've not made a hit, let's add a new message to replace the one where we show the target 2's loss of HP. Here we'll write an else condition, and inside of this, let's type sb.append. We'll use target1.name since this is our attacker, and then sb.append, and we'll add a string starting with a space and type out misses, and use an exclamation mark and end the string. Now let's save this and test out that it works. We're going to switch back over to Unity, and let's go into our Battle Systems folder and open up our actors. We'll start with our player actor and we'll give him a range of 1 to 0. And let's do the same thing with our slime. We'll save this and run the game, and now let's trigger a battle. Now when we attack, there's a chance that the player will miss, like it just happened, and also the slime will miss. One of the ways that we can fix this is by giving the player and the monster a larger attack range. Right now, since the chances are very close that it'll either be 0 or 1, you're going to see a lot of misses in combat. But misses also help steer the course of the combat in a more random direction. Now the battles between the monster starting first and being able to miss will ensure that the battles are never one-sided. The next thing we want to add is an indication when there's a critical hit. Let's switch back over to our attack battle action. Now before our first sentence, let's make some space, and we're going to test to see if our attack value is at the maximum amount of the attack range. We'll do this with a condition if attack value is greater than or equal to target1.attackrange.y minus 1. If this is true, let's add a new sentence to the beginning of our attack battle action status. We'll start with sb.append, and inside of this, we're going to write critical hit, and we'll also end it with a space and then end the string. This way, this new sentence doesn't run onto the second sentence where we show that target 1 is attacking target 2. Now let's save this and test it out. We'll go back over. Let's go and change the player's attack range from 5 to 5. Now, if we run the game and start a battle, when we go to attack the slime, you'll now see that the player has performed a critical hit, and we've killed the slime in a single strike. Now that both of these work, let's go and balance our player attack and our monster attack as well. We'll start with the player actor, and we'll change the range from 0 to 5. Let's also go to the slime and change their attack range from 0 to 3. Now our battles will still be a little bit one-sided to the player, but the monster will have a greater chance of inflicting damage on the player throughout the battle.